Uthuthuria wa kambuni ya Mizani Africa wahanĩkire gatagati ka mweri wa 3 nginyagia Dithemba ya mwaka muhituku ukirongoreria uruti wira wa mangabana, ambunge, speaker ambunge cia kaunti na MCAs. Kuringana na riboti ino hari kaunti ciothe 47, gavana wa Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki niwe atongoretie na gicunjĩ kia 79.7 harĩ 100, akirumirwo hakuhi ni gavana wa Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru na gicunjĩ kia 79.4 harĩ 100, nake gavana wa Nandi agiuka namba 3. Gavana wa Kiambu Nyoro na wa gatandatũ kuringana na maumirĩra ma uthuthuria uyu.
Enhancing our own source revenue. As you probably know, we have a huge potential as a county to actually raise more own source revenue than we are even able to get from equalization fund. But because of various reasons, we have not been able to do that.
Utongoria-ini wa mbunge ya bururi, mumbunge wa Thika Patrick Wainaina niwe utongoretie hari uruti wira gicigo-ini giake kia mbunge na gicunjĩ kia 65.9 harĩ 100, makenyitanĩra na mumbunge wa Westlands team wa Nyonyi.
We want to leave a legacy where we are not stealing, we are using money in the right way. So here I would say integrity is the key. As leaders, let us make sure that we use the money the way it's supposed to be used.
Ambunge age kuma gicigo kia Mount Kenya aria mekite wega ni hamwe na Ndindi Nyoro wa Kiharu ari namba 4, James wa Mashukuru kuma Kabete namba 3, guku Murungi Kathuri kuma gicigo kia ubunge kia Imenti ya Kianda ari namba 8.
Out of the 112 primary schools, we have been able to holistically renovate all of them.
These are the constituencies which have no cases from the Auditor General.
Maumirĩra ma uruti wira wa speaker ambunge cia county, speaker wa Nyeri John Kaguchia niwe utongoretie akiumwo thutha ni speaker wa Machakos Douglas Biro, nake speaker wa bunge ya Embu Josia Thiriku ari wa gatatũ.
All the money we collect from Nyeri will not leave Nyeri. All that money we collect from our hospitals, we will use it in our hospitals to buy medicine for our people.
Bunge-ini cia county, Elija Kururia wa wadi ya biashara niwe utongoretie, afuatĩtwo ni Samuel Kimani wa wadi ya Keno, kũrĩa MCA wa Icagaki Charles Mwangi niwe wa kana.
I'm so much happy because the Shona community, as you saw in December last year, the president finally gave them recognition as citizens of Kenya.
Hope next time I will be the one who will be scoring number 1. Preju ni ati watuika motivated ni uruta wira na hinya na ni tuguthii na mbere na kunyitanira na kuruta wira twinyihitie na tukorwo twika maundu maria manene.
Andu aria mathiaga uteti mecirĩti mathi gutonga acio mathĩnaga magathĩna makaga gĩtĩ na mathaga nginya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nginya makawaga tondu mathire mena the wrong perception.
Hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩrĩ, uteti wa BBI ndũnatigwo na thutha, kũrĩa Ndindi Nyoro na CAS Zac Kinuthia mokanĩrĩire nĩ itua rĩa igoti kũrũgamia mihang'o ya BBI.
Unajua ya kwamba I cannot hide what is in my heart. Mimi nafurahia sana majaji wetu wa High Court, na nasema hata wakiendelea mbele wa Kenya wako pamoja na judiciary. They did according to the aspirations of the Kenyan people. Wasisikize noise kidogo kidogo kama ya Babu Owino, wasikize wa Kenya.
MP is deemed to have finished after 2 terms, although that is not law. It's people's perception. If we can go that route, we must ask today that even judges from the level of a high court must also be elected by the people, so that they are also accountable.
Babu Owino. Riboti Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wajiko.